On Valentine's Day, February 14, 2022, over 1 million concerned God-fearing patriots throughout the country brought forth to their local county prosecutor's office criminal evidence that the COVID-19 pandemic is a global conspiracy to gain profit and power by developing and inflicting upon the world alleged gain-of-function viruses and their treatments, which as of this date has not been identified or isolated by any recognized scientific testing process, which is linked to very grave harm and injury to the people of our country and the world. We, the people, have consulted the sheriffs of their counties, including our sheriff of Gloucester County, Jonathan Sanders, to review the Fauci dossier and the evidentiary findings that implicate federal agents, agencies, and private businesses of state, federal, and international crimes against humanity, warring against the Constitution. Every county sheriff in this nation has the highest authority under and delegated by we, the people. County sheriffs have been lawfully elected to perform their duties, which include summoning a grand jury to review evidence which shall and will support a criminal indictment. Monroe Township School District Board of Education administration and staff have knowingly and willingly violated their oath of office and conspired to violate state, federal, and international laws such as the Nuremberg Code for possible financial enrichment, promoting harm and injury to the students of Monroe Township. Please reference Hal versus Ropes, 496 U.S. 356, 1990. State as well as federal courts have jurisdiction over suits brought pursuant to 42 U.S.C. 1983, which creates a remedy for violations of federal rights committed by persons acting under color of state law. Title U.S. Code Section 4, misprision of felony. Whoever having knowledge of the actual commission of a felony cognizable by a court of the United States conceals and does not as soon as possible make known the same to some judge or other person, civil or military authority under the United States shall be fined under this title or imprisoned not more than 3 years or both. Your lack of due diligence to research well-established scientific and medical procedures shall make you liable to criminal and civil prosecution for willingly and knowingly neglecting well-established law and the Constitution. Your continuance to follow applications of unproven doctrines place the young members of our society in grave harm and danger with unknown long-term side effects from which shall be irreparable. To cease and desist now will only tourniquet the loss of life and injury caused by the malfeasance, propagandas by you, the media, and the corporations disinterested in public health and welfare, yet focused on ill-gotten gains and profiteering on this basis of spreading misinformation and terror to a deliberately misinformed population. The supporting facts and documentation are available at constitutionallawgroup.us and patriot44forfreedom.com. That's patriot, the number 44, the word 4, F-O-R, freedom.com. This information includes the following: the COVID-19 Fauci dossier and proposed indictment by Dr. David E. Martin, credentials and professional experience of Dr. David E. Martin, the evidentiary findings by Attorney Thomas Renz, the vaccine death report, which further exposes these crimes, including harm and injury from the alleged COVID-19 vaccine, the Pfizer document, the informed consent document. You all have a decision to make for the next 5 days. Either remove yourself and resign, cast an emergency vote to withdraw all COVID-19 related workings, and revert to as normal as prior to March 2020. We also demand the return of all ESSER fundings immediately. On the 6th day,
3 minutes are
place, we file all claims against your bonds insurance within the district allowed by law. In closing, I plead to all people of goodwill to spread this message far and wide. To those in the medical field, will you choose your career or your freedom? To elected officials or would-be elected officials, will you choose to be politically correct or correct? And by correct, I mean righteous. To religious leaders, I simply ask, what would Jesus do? God bless you all, and thank you for your time.
Yeah. Awesome.
Do we have any other members?